The 2021 AMA Motorcycle Hall of Fame has been announced, which involves, or includes, however you want to say it, Dave Arnold, Nancy Davidson, Gary Denton, Tommy Hayes, Loretta Lynn, Scott Plessinger, Kenny Tobert, and the person who I know out of this list, and because I've been watching motocross for a while, Ryan Villopoto, which is kind of the whole point of this thing. This is from roadracingworld.com. If you want to actually go to the site, I'll leave it linked down below where you can read about all of the people. They have a little paragraph for everyone who was inducted. That's the right word. Not indicted. That's very wrong. Inducted into this. But obviously, because I come from watching motocross, and this is kind of from the time when I was like actually really getting into it, we're going to be talking about Villopoto because he was incredible. And I'm not a Kawasaki fan or anything like that, but he was at his time just the best of the best, like just unstoppable. If you don't know who he is, which is a little quick blurb out of here, he raced AMA, motocross, and supercross, competing in the professional series from 2005 to 2014, so 9 years. Not a super long career, but a really, really profitable career for him. He won, let's see here, 31 outdoor national wins and 41 AMA supercross main event wins, so that's not bad for, again, 9 years. He has, let's see here, 4 consecutive AMA motocross supercross championships to close his year, so 4 in a row to end his career. That's pretty good. And what is the other? I was reading this about 2 minutes ago. Whatever. I'm not going to read the whole thing. If you want to quote unquote from beginning to end, you can read it. There isn't a thing about the AMA or American Motorcyclist Association at the very bottom if you want to read that too. But it's super cool. He obviously deserved it for how dominant he was at that time, considering that was when you had Ryan Dungey, semi-young Ryan Dungey. You still had James Stewart in it. You had whatever. Oh God, what's his name? The Australian guy, 22, whatever. You had all the people that you know that are big names still. Back then, were in closer to their primes or in their primes, are still fast, and he was just winning everything. Super quick, super competitive. I mean, you could just tell this was the beginning of the Alden Baker dynasty, if you want to say. I don't know how you. If he trains you now, he's the whole thing of he's gonna win or you're gonna win because who he is. But yeah, go check out the website if you want to see everything. I mean, obviously the other people have. I don't know many of them because there are people that raced in like the 70s or 80s and stuff like that. And obviously Tommy Hayes was 33 to 53. Like these are older riders too. So I don't know how they haven't been inducted before. But if you want to read about them, if you're into racing, if you're anything to do with racing and have any interest at all, you should probably read it because obviously people like this, they're important. I mean, they are the history and the background of racing. So I'll leave the link to the website in the description below. Go check it out. Tell me what you think. Were you a Villopoto fan? Were you watching back then, or have you since got into motocross and supercross and you don't know who he is? If not, go check out some YouTube clips and see just how good he was, because it's amazing. But yeah, again, the link for this will be in the description below. As you're going down there, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, the little bell to know when I'm posting, and leave a comment so we have a nice little discussion down below. And I will see y'all later. Peace.